Hello everyone, I'm Felix, and I made my own small aftermarket brand for Honda and the Acura because I bought an Integra Type S. I want to make something cool for my own car, so I start to 3D print and design my own parts and find a manufacturer to make all this happen. And the problem with the OEM cap is sometimes like when you use it, it's really hard to get it loose, right? And or to crack it open because and the one thing really kills me is like when these things sit on your valve cover, sometimes this angle, sometimes this angle is never like so the logo is never aligned with the proper direction. So at first I designed the first version is with a foldable handle, and you can pretty easy to tie and lose it. And but the problem is like I did not think about like so which kind of O-ring I should use. So for the second version, ideal design like so this piece still the same, but I want to this can be separate, so I can adjust the thread, so which can align like so whichever direction I want. But later on, think about have a bolt inside of an oil cap. What if these things failed, fall into the engine? Is definitely a bad idea. And also the problem with this, like the hex is way too small, and I feel not that safe. So I designed this one, same concept, but with a bigger hex. But I'm still not happy about that. After I think about, oh, if I have to make a bolt inside here, and I already choose to use a Honda OEM O-ring for the seal because my wife have like 2011 Honda Accord, have a 183,000 miles, and that thing's never leak, which is this oil cap. I think if it's OEM design works very well, and you can buy OEM O-ring everywhere, so why not just use the OEM O-ring? And later on I designed this version, which you can see it's not locked from the bottom part but from the top. But the problem is, so the oil will go through like the penetrate this area, and then you need to have an O-ring to seal it. And when you need to have an O-ring to seal it and have that, I think this should works pretty well. But I have my undergrad is aerospace engineering, so I think if something might fail, just assume it will fail. And then I just designed the final version, and I make a notch right here so you can easily pick out like take out the O-ring, and which is the final version. That's 3D printing model, and that's my CNC one. So you can see I have a 12-point adjustment, so whichever your engine bay is, you can set any direction you want. Later on I will demonstrate with these things. Just pretend it is a valve cover. So let's make assemble one. So because I'm starting my small business, so everything I have to assemble by myself, and which is a part of a quality control, and make me feel more comfortable to sell this to customer. So I like to apply a little bit of lubrication, which I use super lube, and put the 2-layer double O-ring, so even one failed, the second one still work. And so far I test on my wife's car over 3,000 miles, my Integra Type S up around like 500 miles, and I give 2 to my friends and 1 to my neighbors. They all have Honda, so far after they use it, nothing bad happens. They likes it, so I'm pretty happy. And after I put this part and get a bolt, and then I designed this like the T handle, which prevent me or people if want to change the direction of the thread, won't over tie it. So that works. Okay, just a hand tie, don't over tie it. And right now I need to put this O-ring to here to bring a little bit friction, and also apply the lubricant around contact area, so it won't be too hard to install. It's kind of hard for me to install in front of the camera. but it works. Okay. Just barely tie. Yeah, don't over tie. It works. That's it. That's the final product. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the Honda O-ring inside. It's kind of hard to perform the assembly in front of a camera. Okay, that works. Looks cool. And so we can see the concept of this. Is if just think about this is your valve cover, right? And this is 90 degrees. So some valve cover you can just be 90 degree and you can lose very easily. But for example, if I want something like these things face not vertical but horizontal to me, so I have to lose this screw and adjust the angle, and don't lose it because I give this to my neighbor for them to try how is the product. They try to lose this screw on valve cover. Don't do it because if you lose it and that thing stuck in your valve cover, you have a big problem. So always take it out. And also, the compression ratio of it, this thing is different. So sometimes can be a little bit challenge to know which one. And so I guess I just need to rotate 90 degrees from mark to aim here to aim this mark. Hope it works. And you don't have to fully lose it, by the way, because yeah, just like that. And I think that's the right one. That's 2. Yeah, that one should be work. And retie it. Put it back. Yeah, perfect. So this is perfect. This really makes me feel very happy about my OCD. And some people worry about it because this is separate part, right? These both have enough strength to seal the oil cap, which you don't have to worry about it because all the pressure will go here, which push the silver part, and the stainless bolt it's just locks the red and the silver part, and this bolt I calculate, and it can handle around 400 to 800 pounds of tension. So I don't think any this won't. If you have 800 pounds on your valve cover, then the valve cover might just explode away. And let's put this in a box. And later I will show you what this will looks like in the vehicle. So I give every customer a T-handle so they can just put a standard torque bit into it. So you can just adjust the handle or adjust the thread by yourself. And I like put a sticker or decal to make them happy, and put in the box and finished it. And I put this in my assemble line, which is funny. So those are red one, and I also made a black one. My neighbor, he likes black one. He has a blue Integra Type S, and I think black one is really cool. I like red one because I have a white car. He has a blue car, and all his logo or all his trim piece, he bought the black version. I still have a chrome version. And for this side, I have my 3D printer keep working on those T-handles, or I call it the torque limit too, right? And I also have made some titanium struts, not set, but I'm not ready to sell it yet because anything if I want to sell to my customer or to public, I want to test on my car for a good amount of time, to make me feel comfortable. And so this one is well tested on multiple car and enough mileage. And I use the Honda OEM O-ring, so I don't think things will go south. And I choose a FKM like O-ring. It's lasts better than the NBR. So the normal probably like the natural rubber. So this is the video, and I will show you what this will looks like in my car. Thanks for watching.